what did you think of the songs in the film in general?
Bro, मैंने रात काटी खेतों में वो आई नहीं has to be the banger of the year. Bro, they quite literally picked the Big Bang Theory gag and put it into Stree 2.
Which one was?
Bro, soft kitty, warm kitty, little ball of fur, sleepy kitty, something kitty, purr. मैं बताता हूँ बात क्या करेंगे. अच्छी थी, but
I wanted more. I wanted more. स्त्री किधर है? हाँ, स्त्री किधर? सिर्फ एंड में आई सिर्फ. हाँ.
Starting so convenient कि उसने माँ चिल्लाया और स्त्री आ गई. Like give me some context, no?
Yeah, correct. She couldn't have screamed "Ma" the entire time before this. And we're also joined by Sarkata because any moment I'll see a football rolling towards me. Like, what the fuck is this, dude? Get the fuck away from this hairy football.
वो स्त्री है, वो कुछ भी कर सकती है, वो सारे रिकॉर्ड तोड़ सकती है.
या करेक्ट. तो स्त्री रक्षा करना और कल भी आना दोनों. pretty good.
और स्त्री 3 जल्दी आना.
या स्त्री जी. Also the perfect name for Stree 3 is 3. Stree.
Yeah, even I was thinking that.
Like everyone must have thought that.
Nikla.
Every single person must have thought this. I think this is our first thought. Let's not put this out. We were the first ones, guys, who thought of 3, and none of you did. Welcome.
Of you did.
Welcome to another episode of Pop Conversation. I'm Antriksh Thakkar, joined by...
Yes. And I'm Snehal Aneja.
And the two of us are also joined by Stree because वो कहीं भी हो सकती है यार, भूत है यार.
वो कहीं भी हो सकती है. वो कहीं भी हो सकती है.
And we're also joined by Sarkata because any moment I'll see a football rolling towards me and I'll be like, what the fuck is this, dude? Get the fuck away from this hairy football.
बहुत ही creepy था वो, by the way.
Dude, insane. Okay, firstly, we are doing, this is a spoiler review of Stree 2. A movie that right off the bat, my initial thoughts are, I fucking had a great time. I loved the film.
Great time, yeah. Also, हम लोग घर पे इसलिए रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं क्योंकि अभी बहुत लंबा लॉन्ग वीकेंड गया है. आप लोग भी अपने अपने घर गए होगे अगर आप अपने घर से बाहर काम कर रहे हो. वैसे ही हम लोग भी गए थे, तो शेड्यूल्स मैच नहीं हो पाए. बट हमने जो 1000 सब्सक्राइबर्स के
शेड्यूल्स इतने मैच नहीं हुए. अब्बास है ही नहीं यहाँ पे.
अब्बास है ही नहीं.
It's also because he was too lazy to see Stree in the past 6 days that it's been out.
Exactly.
What an idiot.
मतलब स्त्री ने 250 करोड़ कमा लिए,
अब्बास का नो कंट्रीब्यूशन. Yeah, correct.
I swear. So मैं अपने घर पे हूँ, अंतरिक्ष अपने घर पे है. Pardon my खराब दीवार पीछे. बॉम्बे की बारिश की वजह से
खराब फेस. Sorry.
you look better than Sarkata, Antariksh bhai.
I do? Okay, at least I have my days. Sarkata also has his days, bro.
Yeah.
So, dude, again, coming back to your point, it was scary, dude. The first 2-3 scenes where Sarkata's head bounces and rolls towards you is freaky as hell. And they use the sudden eye awakening on the football and then grabbing you by the hair, the extra long hairs. It's all, it's kind of freaky. Pretty cool. Yeah. Very well done. The CGI and all was really good.
Bro, CGI was very good. Very good.
Very good. So
let's start from the start, I guess.
Yeah. Pehle Stree 1.
The records that Stree has broken.
Oh, achha, that start. Okay.
But the records that Stree has broken, dude 51 crores.
I heard about the records that जितना Stree ने पूरे अपने बॉक्स ऑफिस रन नहीं पूरा एक हफ्ते में कमाया, उसने Stree 1 ने एक दिन में कमा लिया, Stree 2 ने एक दिन में कमा लिया,
Stree 2 ने एक दिन में कमा लिया.
और या एक दिन में वो सरपास कर दिया, ऐसे कुछ. तो some crazy stuff. It has surpassed Jawan and Pathan. Am I right?
No. It has surpassed Fighter abhi.
Fighter, but opening wise or full collection wise?
No. Full collection wise nahi, but I think the best Monday, like the first Monday, Stree has surpassed Fighter, and I think it's third on the list from Jawan, Pathan, and Stree.
in terms of collection
in a certain number of days.
Wow man, that is
भाई मतलब पता है I actually wanted to keep track of all the records, but इतने records हो गए कि I couldn't possibly keep track.
Fair enough.
इसका Monday, इसका opening, इसका ये, इसका वो, I was like fuck it.
So Rajkumar is now a bona fide star, or is the movie the star here? Like, that's a
bro. So this has been an online debate very recently, for sure. Where people are like कि ये किसकी फिल्म है? ये श्रद्धा कपूर की फिल्म है, ये राजकुमार राव की फिल्म है.
I have a bone to pick. Okay.
अच्छा, you have a bone to pick. Okay.
This is certainly more a Rajkumar Rao film than a Shraddha Kapoor film. Would you agree with me in saying that or not?
I think this is more of a script and story centric film than any of the stars.
No, fair. But in terms of who carries the film more, it is definitely more a Rajkumar film than a Shraddha film.
See, I agree.
It's similar to the previous one.
Because Rajkumar also has like a much bigger screen presence. No, much bigger as in like longer. Sorry, bigger is not the right word.
Fair enough. Do you know every article that came out talking about box office kept calling it Shraddha Kapoor's film? Do you know this? And not giving Rajkumar any credit everywhere. This was all over. I noticed it and it like kind of like infuriated me. I was like, okay, she was fine, but Rajkumar stole this film in a lot, as he did the previous film. And this is more his franchise, I would say, because he's the more central character. I mean, not.
Would you call Stree more of a Rajkumar Rao franchise?
That's I don't know, because he is so awesome. And dude, the first thought of Stree is Rajkumar and not Stree, in my opinion. Because of how awesome he plays this character. Vicky, please. Vicky, please. Yeah.
बट ठीक है, देखो अब तक सिनेमा में सारा हीरो सेंट्रिक रहा है एक फिल्म में.
That I understand. That I completely understand. But then I think they corrected themselves, because then articles came out saying Shraddha Kapoor and Rajkumar Rao film. Rajkumar Rao film. They changed. They visibly changed. I'm sure there will be people in the comments who will agree with me, because I know this got...
No, you're right. So all the articles were that Shraddha Kapoor. I completely agree कि articles वैसे ही थे. But and I also saw a lot of backlash on this कि राजकुमार राव को mention क्यों नहीं किया हुआ है. And people took it to that level कि क्योंकि वो star kid नहीं है इसलिए, क्योंकि वो outsider है इसलिए तुम उसको sideline कर रहे हो. But Stree...
it's already hard enough for non-insider folks to make it, you know. Why not? If they have a big hit, fucking give them that big hit, dude. That's what I feel.
But like towards the end when... should we like talk about the end already? Or like...
I mean, we can do whatever, dude. Spoilers, again, spoiler alert for the fifth time.
No, like towards the end, जब like there's this sequence ना, जब राजकुमार राव के हाथ में को पेटल होता है फूल का, और वो उसके हाथ में पाम में घुस जाता है और उसके अंदर पूरा लाइट हो जाता है, ग्लिटर टाइप्स, शोइंग कि शायद स्त्री ने अपना पावर उसको दे दिया.
करेक्ट.
Does that mean the end of Shraddha Kapoor in the franchise?
I mean, I highly doubt it. अब तो potential love triangle भी हो गया, वरुण धवन, राजकुमार राव और
Shraddha Kapoor के. But that love triangle does not make sense because she's
correct. I think that's just like
an atma.
That's not canon, as they say.
Yeah.
It's no. I'm saying both of them will exist. It depends on where they want to use Stree. They'll use Stree. Where they want to use Rajkumar Rao, and he won't have her entire power. Maybe he'll be able to, like, you know, he has the power to sense something, or a small fraction of the power is what he'll have.
Spidey sense.
Yeah, something like that. You know, some minor shit. I think that's not gonna be that.
But they cleared it in the film that Shraddha Kapoor is not Stree.
Yeah, she's Stree's beti.
She's Stree's beti, yes. Yeah. But she's also dead. So like she's a spirit.
So everyone's dead only. Rajkumar
so basically
दो फिल्मों के ऊपर.
So basically a spirit, मतलब basically एक आत्मा.
बेचारा Vicky, the most nicest character. He can't catch a break, bro. Poor guy. इतना लंबा wait किया. Oh God.
I swear. तो basically एक आत्मा आई है एक दूसरी आत्मा को मुक्ति दिलाने.
हाँ.
That's the Shraddha Kapoor storyline.
That is Shraddha Kapoor. What about her own Mukti? It's tied to the Mukti of the first Mukti.
अब मुझे भी यही लगा, एंड जब उसको मुक्ति मिल गई तो फिर वो भी, अब वो राजकुमार राव के अंदर बस गई है, सेइंग कि वो कहती है ना कि अब हम दोनों एक हो चुके हैं, आत्मा से आत्मा का मिलन हो गया. तो दैट्स अ लिटरल आत्मा विद अ ह्यूमन के अंदर की आत्मा मिलन.
Or do you think the Mohan sisters, the Shakti Mukti Mohan sisters were involved? Because this guy came, he wanted Shakti so he could get Mukti. So weird.
But what's the story? Aja, let's start from the story.
The story is, Stree, it catches up like a few years after Stree 1 has ended. Okay?
Yes.
Stree 1, at the end of Stree 1, if you guys will remember, I mean, if you were watching this video, if you were watching this spoiler review, I'm sure you remember that Chanderi mein Stree ko these guys vanquished, Vicky and his friends and the gang, including Shraddha Kapoor's character. They vanquished Stree and she is gone. She's been defeated. This film starts with Chanderi's new slogan. Since Stree has gone for the last few years, the new slogan has become Stree, oh Stree, Raksha Karna. And not oh Stree.
So basically, हम उसको हराना नहीं बोलेंगे. Basically, they understood where Stree was coming from.
Yeah, coming from.
And then they were like, कि respect is the way to go about it.
Yeah,
hence,
correct.
oh Stree kal aana se oh Stree raksha karna.
Yeah. So now what has happened? In the meantime, there is a legend of another ghostly presence, ghoul. What is the Rakshas or whatever? A monster के स्त्री गई तो ये तो सरकटा आएगा. Sarkata is the new monster in this film, and it is up to the team, Vicky and friends, to vanquish him now. And how
and that's also a very funny sequence, because all the ladies of the town kidnap Vicky and then they are like
so funny.
तेरी वजह से स्त्री चली गई जिसकी वजह से हमारी फ्रीडम थी, क्योंकि स्त्री से सारे मर्द डरते थे. अब सरकटा आ गया है जो अलग ही पेट्रियार्कल भूत है, और उसकी वजह से हम स्त्रियों की वापस से सारी फ्रीडम चली गई है. नाउ यू हैव टू vanquish basically the Sarkata and call Stree back so that we are back to freedom.
So Sarkata, if again the audience will remember that in the previous movie, the Stree was kidnapping and getting rid of men, or kidnapping men, taking men away. In this one, Sarkata is after women. But women of a particular kind, they're like what is termed as modern women.
Modern,
The modern woman, which is like, you know, and what defines modernity is it can be anything. आप चाहे टीवी देखते हो, आप मॉडर्न हो. सिगरेट पीते हो, आप मॉडर्न हो. You know, any kind of thing can be modern. आप नाइकी के जूते पहनते हो, you know, तो मॉडर्न हो. Anything can be counted as being modern. If you maybe if you
ये चीज पता है, जब स्टार्टिंग का सीन आया ना, जब वो सिगरेट पी रही होती है और वो उसको ले जाता है, तो और फिर बाद में क्या मॉडर्न वाला नहीं. सो जब बाद में जब वो मॉडर्न वाला डायलॉग मारता है ना वो, तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि यार डिड यू जस्ट ट्राई टू शो अ वुमन एज मॉडर्न बाय स्मोकिंग सिगरेट? लाइक डिड यू डिफाइन मॉडर्निटी विद सिगरेट? एंड देन आई रियलाइज्ड इन द फॉलोइंग डायलॉग कि वो एक टॉन्ट था, कि अगर तुम टीवी भी देखते हो तो भी वो मॉडर्न है, अगर तुम सिगरेट पीते हो तो भी वो मॉडर्न है, अगर तुम बात कर रहे हो तो भी वो मॉडर्न है. तो वो एक टॉन्ट था पेट्रियार्की पे. सो दैट वाज अ वेरी वेल रिटन डायलॉग.
या आई वुड से मैन, लाइक इट इज अ वेरी फेमिनिस्ट मूवी. ओके,
yes 100%,
but never not a moment of preachiness. It is putting his message across very well. You know, like you have to bash patriarchy and वगैरह. The whole history between Stree and Sarkata ka is that only, right? Whatever their joint history is. And they did it really rather well, man. It was very enjoyable.
So
the entire theater was
during
laughing
the course
their
of
asses off.
Oh yes, dude, you're
what
right.
A theater experience.
100%.
Yeah. Sorry, you were saying.
100%. So during the course of the film, you basically realize the history of Sarkata and Stree. So basically, Stree को जिससे प्यार था, Sarkata जो है वो उसका बाप था.
Oh, that rhyme, dude. Are you a rapper?
तो अब
so can you repeat that line? That was really what is it? जब वो उसका
तो बेसिकली स्त्री को जिससे प्यार था, सरकटा उसका बाप था.
वाह. अर्ज किया है स्त्री को जिससे प्यार था। वाह 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 वाह, जावेद साहब,
सरकटा उसका बाप था।
चंदेरी में उनका
उनका कारोबार था।
हाँ, कारोबार था,
है ना। और हर जगह बस प्यार था। वाह 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 वाह।
No, but you can't use प्यार twice, यार, that's cheating.
Oh yeah, fair.
Bad rapper suddenly.
यही कहानी का सार था।
वाह, that's overcompensation.
Okay, so basically तो ये कहा जाता है मूवी में कि सरकटा जो है उसको सिर्फ स्त्री हरा सकती है, क्योंकि जब ओरिजिनली जब स्टोरी में जब स्त्री ने उसके बेटे से शादी करी थी तो गुस्से में उस सरकटा ने बेसिकली उसके बेटे को मार दिया था और स्त्री को मार दिया था, और स्त्री ने उसका सर काट दिया था बेसिकली, एंड दैट इज हाउ वो सरकटा बन गया।
यस, करेक्ट,
ठीक है। एंड नाउ दैट स्त्री इज गॉन फ्रॉम द टाउन, he can roam again because the only person he was scared of was Stree.
Stree ji, yes.
So now basically they have to call Stree back so that they can defeat Sarkata.
Yeah.
This is the premise of the film.
Yeah, correct. Exactly. This is the premise of the film. And so then now get into the characters, right?
Yes.
What do you think of how the story progresses and all? I think it was like very tight done. The horror moments were actually scary again. Like, as I remember it being so in Stree 1 also. The comedy, for the most part, really landed well.
Yes, yes.
The chitty thing went on a little long than I would have liked. If it was just 2-3 exchanges, then it would have still been fine. It went on like 5-6 exchanges between Chitty and Chitty. But whatever.
Yes.
Whatever.
Bro, they quite literally picked the Big Bang Theory gag and put it into Stree 2.
Which one was?
Bro, soft kitty, warm kitty, little ball of fur, sleepy kitty, something kitty, purr. Who would have thought कि मैं Stree 2 देखने जाऊंगा और उसमें मुझे Big Bang Theory reference दिखेगा?
Yeah, that's crazy. First I thought it was the Friends reference, which is the smelly cat. No, this is the other cat reference.
Yeah.
Too many cat references. Cat jingles in
all the sad single characters.
Love cats. Single characters. Yeah, correct, man. Okay, let's go. So all the characters were great. Okay, I think the film is carried by the main 5 people, of course.
The main leads,
because those are but because the 4 guys are in it way longer than Shraddha gets to be in, I think they get to shine more as characters, and
yes,
they do it so well, the 4 of them. I think because again Rajkumar and Pankaj, I think have done multiple projects together now. All these guys now, they've done like Stree to kar hi rahe, or the chemistry between them is great. I also noticed one thing. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm talking too much. I know. I noticed one thing that maybe they did well. Like maybe they definitely thought about it. In like the first half of the film, Jana is not around that much, right? Because then they go find him and they get him from the Varun Dhawan ka Bhediya.
Yes.
The connection, the crossover.
Yeah.
Okay, and in the second half, Apar Shakti is not around that much because he's been brainwashed and has those glowy eyes thingy. Eye lenses. So he's off doing his own thing, so he's not involved with these guys as much. I just found that interesting that they still managed to do the 4 people characters together without without having to put too many people in a scene. Maybe
also take away from one's screen presence.
Yeah, sure. Take away from one's screen presence, because very often, you're right, that's a very good point, that Bittu and Jana kind of are in terms of when they talk to Vicky can be interchangeable. The reactions can be similar as characters.
Yes.
Because they are the best friend character in a way, right?
Yeah.
So they did that. I think they did that rather well. It made a part of the story.
एक चीज जो मुझे थोड़ी खटकी वो ये थी कि श्रद्धा फर्स्ट हाफ में नहीं थी. आई वाज लाइक क्यों नहीं है ब्रो? लाइक मतलब थी बट वैसी थी जैसे तुम एक चिकन बनाते हुए तुम थोड़ा सा नमक डाल देते ऊपर. मतलब मुझे श्रद्धा मतलब सो फॉर मी जितना मैं राजकुमार राव से एसोसिएट करता हूँ व्हेन इट कम्स टू स्त्री, उतना ही मैं श्रद्धा से भी करता हूँ.
Okay.
पहली पूरी पिक्चर में थी श्रद्धा भाई, पहले वाले पार्ट में. सो आई वाज एक्चुअली वेटिंग फॉर श्रद्धा टू शो अप कि लाइक भाई श्रद्धा कब आएगी उसमें स्क्रीन पे. सो एक वो चीज थी जो मुझे लगी. बट एक चीज जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी वो ये थी कि किस तरीके से इन्होंने सारे यूनिवर्सेस को मैरी किया.
Yeah, that's very true, man.
ब्रो क्या मैरी किया है भाई सारे यूनिवर्स को इन लोग ने. मजा ही आ गया मेरे को. मतलब जब जहां पे भेड़िया एंड होता है कितने सुंदर तरीके से उसको यहाँ पे लाए. जहां पे मुंजिया एंड होती है कितने सुंदर तरीके से उसको स्त्री 2 में लाए. कहाँ सीन से सीन जोड़ा भाई. और कैसे उन्होंने जना को वापस इंट्रोड्यूस किया स्त्री 2 में. मजा ही आ गया. मजा ही आ गया.
बिल्कुल ही
बहुत अच्छा था.
That recap song in the beginning with Pankaj Tripathi was great, dude. Was so fun.
Oh yes,
the opening song.
What a song. Yes,
you're right. I was like, oh, Pankaj Tripathi is going back to his OMG2 roots.
Yeah, OMG2, yes.
And then I realized, oh, it's the recap song. That's hilarious.
Yeah.
So funny.
भाई बहुत ही सही था. मतलब I think a sequel at par
Best
with the
sequel,
first one.
I would say up till now. In all of Bollywood up till now, I would say.
नहीं भाई ऐसे लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई बनाई है उन्होंने.
Oh, sorry. Yes. Second best. Second best sequel.
But a worthy sequel.
Right up there. Yeah, absolutely
a worthy sequel.
I'm actually more excited for Stree 3 now and this entire universe because after Ruhi I did not like at all. Bhediya also.
Bro, Ruhi I think they're not even including now. Ruhi I don't think they're even including. Yeah.
Because I think they have the complication of Rajkumar being in both worlds. He was the lead in that also. And secondly,
fair,
maybe
yes.
Because otherwise I think they could have easily, if they wanted to, even if that movie wasn't that big a hit, they could have still used the character because why not? You know.
एक और चीज थी पता है. एक और चीज थी रूही में. जहां तक आई रिमेम्बर, मैंने रूही हॉल के बाद दोबारा नहीं देखी है, बट जहां तक आई रिमेम्बर राजकुमार राव स्पीक्स द वे ही स्पीक्स इन स्त्री इन रूही ऑल्सो.
ओके, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर.
जहां तक मुझे याद है आई थिंक वो वहां पे भी वो वैसा ही बिहेव करता है.
ओके.
बट एनीवे मुझे उतना क्लियरली याद नहीं है. दोबारा रूही
was very underwhelming, so I didn't watch it again, dude. It wasn't great.
But they've set the stage for Vampires of Vijayanagar now,
which is the Ayushmann Khurrana lead.
Which is the Ayushmann Khurrana and Rashmika Mandana.
And it's inevitable that Varun Dhawan and Ayushmann go head to head in some movie. Maybe in that one only, if there's a crossover.
वही होगा भाई. वो तो है तो सही डायलॉग उसमें कि चल मैं जब वो जना को वो बोलता है कि मैं वहां पे मत जाना, वहां पे बड़े बड़े वो हैं जो यहाँ से खून पी लेते हैं. And that's the classic werewolf vampire situation, no?
Yeah, Underworld is one of my favorite movie franchises. So it's a werewolf vampire story basically.
वो भी होने ही वाला है.
What did you think of the songs in the film in general?
Bro, मैंने रात काटी खेतों में वो आई नहीं. Has to be the banger of the year, bro. Bro, how has it not taken over Tauba Tauba? I don't know, bro. I think this is
much more doable step,
bro,
and
more funny, more catchy.
Very funny. Yeah, absolutely.
एकदम मजा ही आ गया. ब्रो राजकुमार राव ना एकदम से मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है क्विंटेसेंशियल हीरो बन जाएगा बहुत जल्दी भाई. पता नहीं क्यों
हो सकता है. या
मुझे लग रहा है अब लाइक आई एम सो हैप्पी सीइंग द सक्सेस ऑफ राजकुमार राव. मतलब मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है उसकी कोई पिक्चर. आई हैव बीन अ राजकुमार राव फैन ऑफ सॉर्ट्स सिंस शाहिद.
ओह वाओ, ओके.
मैं शाहिद मतलब आई रिमेम्बर LSD मैंने आज तक ढंग से नहीं देखी है. जो राजकुमार राव की पहली फिल्म थी. उसके बाद शाहिद आई थी, मैंने शाहिद देखी थी एंड आई वाज लाइक ब्रो मजा आ गया. ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद ट्रैप्ड कमाल का काम किया इसने ट्रैप में. फिर उसके बाद ये वाली जो फिल्म है
न्यूटन.
कौन सी? न्यूटन बहुत अच्छी थी. एक वो बहुत अच्छी थी भाई, क्या कहते हैं जिसके अंदर वो गाना था. गैंग्स में तो भाई गैंग्स आप नोटिस करो, गैंग्स के जितने एक्टर थे ना वो सारे आज के टाइम पे स्टार्स हैं.
Except for Perpendicular.
मतलब भाई हाँ 99.9%, ठीक है भाई.
No, but he's a renowned writer now.
Yeah, I know. So सब स्टार्स हैं भाई. एंड there's this film जो मेरे ये ब्रो वो वाली फिल्म देखी आपने? ठुकरा के मेरी शादी में वो कौन सा वो गाना कि मेरा प्यार मेरा इंतकाम देखे, उसमें भी he was great in the film. Rajkumar Rao has never missed, according to me at least.
Bareilly ki Barfi.
Bareilly, yes,
yeah,
bro.
Great.
Bareilly.
He was awesome in Bareilly ki Barfi, dude. Oh, so good.
Bro, Bareilly was the film, bro. वो वाला सीन जिसमें वो बाइक रोक के
वाला,
ऐसे,
of course,
oh dude,
legend.
Legendary scene. So I think Rajkumar, that yes.
Yeah. So good.
Bro, Rajkumar Rao.
Absolutely. Then so the Khet wala song, the Tamanna Bhatia has a role.
And I was so happy that उसको सिर्फ item song के लिए नहीं बुलाया.
Yeah, they actually made her a part of this thing. Yeah, that's true. Very true. She has an affair with Pankaj Tripathi.
Tripathi, yeah.
Wow, dude. But then, the greatest cameo, I think, almost ever.
Yeah. We talked about it. When we were talking about Stree 2, ki how Stree 2 will fare on the box office. We talked about it when I said that I got to know a spoiler, and that was Akshay Kumar.
Oh, we did? I don't remember this. Was I angry that you told me the spoiler?
No.
Okay. Did you reveal the spoiler or did you not?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, okay, fair enough. Okay. So Akshay Kumar's cameo was great, and possibly they left it open that he can also now be a part of this universe.
Open थोड़ी भाई, वो सरकटा है अब.
Yeah, but basically, like, do they use him or do they go back to their old Sarkata if they want?
No, bro. Like, why would you get Akshay Kumar to?
But you're saying Akshay Kumar is going to be taking off his hair and he's going to be throwing his head everywhere.
No, so मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि सरकटा exactly रेप्लिका होगा जिसका जो हमने इस मूवी में देखा है, but I'm sure वो उसको as proper villain रखेंगे. नहीं तो फिर एंड क्रेडिट सीन का कोई पॉइंट नहीं है ना फिर, अगर उसको रखते ही नहीं तो.
ओके फेयर इनफ. या आई वाज थिंकिंग दैट कि मे बी इट्स लाइक जस्ट फॉर द फन ऑफ इट, यू नो, दे वांट टू डू लाइक अ एक्स्ट्रा.
लाइक आप स्केल देख रहे हो, लाइक फ्रॉम विजय राज एज कैमियो दे वेंट टू अक्षय कुमार एज कैमियो.
या दैट इज इनसेन, डूड. वाओ.
या
व्हाट अ थिंग. द लिटिल पार्ट दैट भेड़िया हैड इन द फिल्म वाज ओके, वाज फेयर इनफ. Right?
Yeah, was nice. Oh, you know, so I was reading this conspiracy theory that towards the end जो मटका पहुंचता है अक्षय कुमार तक, वो तमन्ना भाटिया पहुंचाती है.
क्यों?
Because she is still under the spell, and like the spell has not completely broken, and like उनको एक ऊपर से एक वो मिलता है कि अब like they have to like वापस जिंदा करना है सरकटा को, या वापस से उसका वो कंटिन्यू रखना है टेरर ऑफ सॉर्ट्स. तो इसलिए तमन्ना भाटिया को ऊपर से ऑर्डर आता है उसके माइंड में कि ये एशेस जो हैं वो उस तक पहुंचाओ, और वो उसके कमरे के बाहर छोड़ के चली जाती है. इसका एक बहुत बड़ा रीजन ये भी है कि तमन्ना भाटिया को ये लोग एक्चुअली एज अ पोटेंशियल फीमेल लीड यूज कर सकते हैं आगे.
ओके.
बिकॉज शी इज द ओनली वन जिसका रोल है भी और एक स्पेशल अपीयरेंस भी है, और इतनी बड़ी एक्ट्रेस है कि वो पोटेंशियली एक फिल्म लीड कर भी सकती है.
ओके, फेयर इनफ. दैट्स वन थ्योरी. ओके, फेयर इनफ. आई डोंट हैव अ काउंटर थ्योरी. आई फाउंड इट टॉकिंग अबाउट द women who got taken over by Sarkata, वो चिट्टी. I still don't I didn't get till the end. Is she actually into Apar Sakti or is she just using Bittu?
She's just using Bittu, bro.
Till the end, right?
Yeah, वो कहती तो है जब वो उसे लोरी सुना रहा होता है एंड वो सोती नहीं है तो कहती नहीं है कि
वो दूसरे बॉयफ्रेंड को कॉल करती है.
हाँ, मैं दूसरे को कॉल करती हूँ. Yeah, she's obviously using.
So funny, dude. Damn cool. Let's see.
But एक चीज मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी थी कि सारे बैकग्राउंड में जितने भी लोग थे ना,
हाँ,
वो सब भी कैरेक्टर्स थे, उनके पास भी था कुछ करने के लिए.
या करेक्ट.
सिर्फ ये नहीं था कि यही 5 लोग हैं. सराउंड साउंड जो बिल्ड हुआ था वो भी बहुत अच्छा बिल्ड हुआ था. सारे एक दूसरे को कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे थे. एंड आई लाइक द फैक्ट कि क्या, अच्छा एक बात बताओ, क्या आपको ऐसा लगा कि स्त्री 1 रेफरेंसेस थोड़ी ज्यादा हो गई हैं in the beginning?
हाँ, yeah, in the beginning. Like there was too much. Just, but in a sense, I understand why they do it, but maybe spread them out more in the film if you want.
Like through
so
the
many
film.
of them. Yeah.
सारी iconic चीजें एकदम डाल दी.
हाँ, पहले वही exactly. So it just feel like are you just rehashing old stuff? Just write something new. But then you realize no, they did a very good job actually. They pulled through. Yeah,
100%. Like I think अब मेरे माइंड में मूवी देखते वक्त भी, उसके बाद भी, अब इतने दिन हो गए देखे हुए, आई डोंट थिंक आई हैव अ थॉट कि मैं इसके अंदर और क्या ऐड करता टू मेक इट बेटर.
Yeah, fair enough. I came off very happy, dude. You know, when I've started going for late night shows, and today also I'm going for खेल में.
हो सकता है आपसे इंस्पायर होके मैं भी चला जाऊँ अभी, बिकॉज अभी क्या 10:30-11 बजे के शो होंगे. चला जाऊंगा.
करेक्ट.
एक्चुअली प्लान यही था, पता है, कि हम लोग सारी तीनों फिल्म्स देख लें और फिर उसके बाद हम साथ में एक लंबा एपिसोड निकालें. बट वो हो ना सका, और अभी आलम है कि तू नहीं
जो मेरे बस एक नहीं देखी, वो दो क्या देखेगा यार.
और वेदा तो वो बिल्कुल भी नहीं देखने.
So I've been watching, like, my test for a good time at the movies has become, if at 1 a.m. or 1:30 a.m. when I come out of the film, if I'm not sleepy, means it was a great film. Okay? Otherwise, sometimes I'm just I've already passed out twice in the middle of the film and all, because I was like, it's late and I'm sleepy. But Stree, yeah, dude, absolutely, I was not at all. I couldn't wait to talk about the film more and all. Great.
Fair. I agree. Even I went for a 11:55 p.m. show.
Oh wow. Okay, that's even later than me, dude.
Yeah. तो दिल्ली में था, मैं दिल्ली में देखने गया था, अकेले ही देखने गया था. 12 बजे का शो था, ऑलमोस्ट स्टार्ट हुआ 12:30. पैक्ड थिएटर, पैक्ड. एक सीट खाली नहीं थी ब्रो. एक सीट खाली नहीं थी. Everybody was rushing. Everybody was laughing, clapping. Everybody was engaged in the film. Very good experience. Yeah.
I would highly recommend. Again, both of us clearly are very much sold. Now let's see what Abbas has to say when he finally does watch it, because he clearly won't like it at all.
मैं बताता हूँ Abbas क्या करेगा. Like, ठीक, अच्छी थी,
but I wanted more. I wanted more. There was some problems with the script. Things were too convenient. Something.
Why was Shraddha not there, dude? Like, dude, if I'm going to watch Stree, Shraddha होनी चाहिए ना, मुझे दिखनी चाहिए फर्स्ट हाफ. क्यों नहीं दिखी?
स्त्री किधर है? स्त्री
किधर
सिर्फ एंड में आई सिर्फ.
स्टार्टिंग में so convenient कि उसने माँ चिल्लाया और स्त्री आ गई. Like, give me some context. No,
correct. She couldn't have screamed माँ the entire time before this.
पहले ही चिल्ला लेती माँ, सब खत्म हो जाता.
प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती, पिक्चर बननी नहीं पड़ती.
Oh, dude.
All right. Yeah, cool. I think we've covered everything pretty much that we had to talk about. What other announced films in this? I know Bhedia 2 is coming.
Bhedia 2 is coming.
Definitely is coming.
Stree, and they've said that it's ready. The script is ready.
Of Stree 3?
Yeah.
Okay, of Stree. Okay.
Oh, one thing that I liked, one thing that I also liked about the film was that in the starting credits, they wrote based on Stree 1 and Raj and DK creation.
Okay, cool, man. That's nice.
काफी मतलब due credit to Raj and DK for the first
they
part.
Did, for sure, man. They definitely set the tone. And yeah, for sure. Agreed.
So Vampires of Vijayanagar आ रही है.
I was actually skeptical. Will the Stree 2 suffer by not having Raj and DK part of it?
Yes.
And I'm glad it did not.
You're right.
And I just only think, what if they had been involved? Does that mean it would have elevated even more?
Yeah. But a bunch of films have been announced actually. So Vampires of Vijayanagar आ गई है. Stree का third part आने वाला है. Bhedia 2 आने वाली है. That's for sure. Munjya 2 आने वाली है. Like, they've obviously left the film on a cliffhanger that Munjya has not gone. Basically, Munjya is still there. So I think they've kept the universe wide open for all the films to come back and have a sequel.
Yep, agreed. Again, right now, though, I'm very much looking forward to it, because Stree 2 was such a great high.
Great high.
Hopefully they can stick to this, and wish them all the very best.
And apart from horror universe, also like a bunch of films have been announced very recently. Did you see the Chhaava teaser trailer?
Nahi yaar.
Bro, Vicky Kaushal has aced it. Knocked it out of the park. I think
I'll check it out.
Bro, definitely check it out. So Chhaava ka teaser trailer is out. Check it out, definitely. The Buckingham murders ka teaser trailer is out. The Hansal Mehta Kareena Kapoor film.
Oh, okay.
That is supposed to be out. फिर उसके बाद there's another thing जो भी recently आया यार.
There's a new Sherlock Holmes adaptation. With,
KK Menon. KK Menon.
And who's the other one? Who's playing Watson?
Ranveer Shori.
Yeah.
Yes, that's out on Jio Cinema. Do watch it.
I mean to watch that. Hopefully, I'll get to that.
Yes. Yeah. वो भी आ रही है. Also, there's this another film that got announced यार. मेरे mind से निकल गया. But ठीक है. It's gonna be a trip to the movies again and again.
Yes, thanks so much for tuning into this episode of Pop Conversation, guys.
Yes.
This is our 3-2 spoiler review.
Thoughts, basically. Thoughts.
And
yes.
That's about it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Please let us know. We'll be doing a lot more of content like this.
And hopefully next time from the studio or in person.
Chalo.
We will get back to the groove.
Done. Chalo, I have to go. Khel make calls. And chalo. Bye-bye. Good night.
Oh, मुझे बताना कैसी है?
Yes.